Hi guys! Today I'd like to show you how to make Vietnamese lotus root salad. Going on sang. This refreshing, vibrant, and healthy salad is very simple to make. It has great combination of texture and flavors. If you'd like to try this, come to my kitchen. Boil half a pound of pork belly with half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of sugar for half an hour. Then put the pork in ice water for 20 minutes before cut it into thin slices. Boil a pot of water. Use the water enough just to cover the shrimp. Then put the shrimp in. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Then drain out the water. Let the shrimp cool down. Peel the shrimp and devein it. Lotus is a water plant. The tuberous roots are not visible beneath the mud. And this is the lotus stem and the flower that rise above the water. What we use here is the lotus root or stem to make the salad. Of course, overseas we don't have enough fresh lotus root to make the salad, but we have the one in the jar and it tastes as good as the fresh one. Cut the lotus root like this. Cut the carrot into small slices like this. You don't have to make it fancy like I did. Put it in the big bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it. Let it sit for half an hour. Then squeeze any excess water. Put it in the larger bowl. Then put all the cooked ingredients in it. Let's make the vinegar water. Add 1/4 cup of vinegar, half a cup of cold water, half a tablespoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well, then add into the salad. Mix all the ingredients and set it aside for half an hour. Before you serve, make sure you drain all this vinegar water out. This is Vietnamese coriander. Remove the leaves from the stem, wash it, chop it, and use it for garnish. I like to use fried red onion or shallot and roasted peanut to add extra crunchy in my salad. I also love to eat my salad with shrimp crackers. On low heat, put some cooking oil in a frying pan. Wait until the oil gets hot. Put the crackers in the pan and wait until it grows into full size. Keep flipping it until both sides turn golden. Put the crackers on the plate with paper towels to absorb excess oil. You serve this salad with fish sauce. If you want to learn how to make fish sauce, please watch my video on how to make Vietnamese fish sauce. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe for more delicious food. I will see you again. Bye bye.